What if you could speak directly to your cells? Not poetically, not metaphorically, but as a literal biological influence. And what if they really respond? It turns out this idea isn't so far-fetched. The science of epigenetics has already rewritten what we thought we knew about our genetic code. Your genes are not your destiny, and this is something that I've been saying for many years. It's more like a set of piano keys or a set of Legos. Epigenetics is the player, it's the person constructing things out of the Legos. And what determines what gets played? A symphony of signals. Signals can include anything from food to movement to your sleep quality, your breath, the light that you surround yourself, toxins, and your thoughts. Your environment influences your gene expression. That includes your inner environment, your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs. All of it changes the biochemical landscape that your DNA operates in. This isn't speculative. Studies show that people under chronic stress express more inflammatory genes. People who feel connected and safe upregulate genes involved in repair and immunity. Meditation changes gene expression in as little as 8 hours. Just 8 hours. That's like one meditation session. It's not magic, it's molecular biology. And yet, maybe there's a little bit of magic in it too. Ancient healing systems have always taught that the body listens, that it responds to intention. Yogic practices, Qigong, Taoist internal alchemy, they all rely on directing energy and awareness into the body as a form of healing. Even Western mystics, like those in the Hermetic or Rosicrucian traditions, wrote about speaking light into the body and the breath. They didn't have the word epigenetics, but they understood at a basic level how the mechanism worked. The body is not a machine, it's a field, a consciousness, an intelligent system that responds to cues, especially your own. So let's ask a wild question. What if you are the signal? We think of nutrition as food, but the first nutrition your cells receive every day isn't breakfast, it isn't your coffee. It's the cortisol that wakes you up stressed. It's the oxytocin if you wake up loved. It's serotonin if you wake up in the sunlight. And these molecules, these hormonal messengers, aren't passive. And they tell genes what to do, what proteins to make, what enzymes to activate, which pathways to emphasize. They instruct the architecture of your biology. So when you sit in stillness and you slow your breath and say, heal, you are safe, you are home, it's not just affirmations, it's instructions. And if you say, you're broken, you're too old, nothing works anymore, well, those are instructions too, right? There's a study in psychoneuroimmunology, literally the study of how thoughts and emotions influence immune function, showing that people who believe they're aging rapidly do. They accumulate biological markers of age faster, independent of other health factors. Inversely, those who feel vital and empowered show slower telomere shortening. Same world, same genes, different expression. This brings us to a deeper truth. Healing isn't just an act, it's a relationship. Your body isn't separate from your awareness. Your biology isn't just reacting to life, it's reacting to you. There's something sacred about realizing this, something humbling, because it means we're not at the mercy of our genetics, we're not at the mercy of our world. We're active participants, we're collaborators, we're creators. And that means we can begin right now to change the music being played in the piano of our DNA. So what do? Start simple. Pick one place in your body where you feel tension or pain or disconnection. Take a breath. Put your hand there and say, silently or out loud, I'm listening. Thank you for everything you've done to help us survive. Let's heal now. That may sound too simple to matter, but nothing could matter any more than that. That is the thing that matters most. Because you're turning inward with reverence, not with rejection. You're looking at your body with respect. You're partnering with it and trying to understand the signals that your body is giving you. That shift alone sends a signal that begins to change the entire field. Yes, food matters. Yes, light therapy matters. Fasting, detoxing, all of it. But your relationship with your body might be the master key because it's the one input no one else can provide for you. It starts only on the inside. And when you learn to speak gently and clearly with your cells, not as a stranger issuing commands, but as an ally offering guidance, being receptive, your biology starts to respond. This is the medicine that we forget, the biofield conversation, the ritual of listening inward, the practice of speaking to your cells as if they're conscious, because in some very real ways, they are, and they've been waiting for you to say something.